Hello friends, today I shall give some tips for cuckold husbands. Subscribe this channel for next updates. I read an article in Deccan Chronicle that says researchers claim that cuckolding can actually be good for couples. They can be honest about their sexual fantasies, which can lead them to have better communication skills than couples in normal relationship. Cuckoldry increasingly becoming a popular and sought out fetish. Before starting this experience, I will give you some points to be followed. Few years after marriage, give at least 5 to 6 years time to your marriage to cuckold her. Convince your wife with the positive and negative of this lifestyle and how you would handle it safely. Make sure you and your wife are positively ready for this experience. It should be no strings attached relationship. Finding the right guy. Have patience while finding the guy. Do not jump right away. Choose a guy who has a gentleman approach, is educated and working in a decent position. Such person can understand the value of privacy and respect. Observe how he treats you with your wife. Make your wife comfortable. Give at least 1 to 3 months time to both your wife and the guy. Encourage your wife to talk with him. All three of you engage in conversation. Do lots of conversation with your wife and guy. It will help you understand each other well and make all three comfortable. Allow your wife to initially start with normal chat and few days later over phone voice talk. If wife is comfortable, encourage her to talk dirty and phone sex. Go to some romantic movie with your wife and guy. Give the center seat to your wife and you both men sit on both sides. During the movie, ask your wife and guy to play naughty things. Slowly, you also join with them. Don't do extreme sexual act in theater so that no one can assume something is happening. Ensure safety first. Decide the limits. Discuss and finalize things that you do not want the guy to do. He cannot force anything, cannot do anything that could harm your wife. Remember, your wife's enjoyment is the key and most important. Safety during sex. Use condom for safety. Wife's enjoyment is the key. So ask your wife what she prefers. Place for sex. If possible, arrange the place in your home or your personal space. If you are booking hotel, make sure it is safe. Don't book cheap lodges. Don't do it at your guy's place. Alcohols. Do not allow alcohol because you must do all the things in full senses and consciousness. Before sex, play some indoor game. Take breakfast, lunch or dinner with a guy. Give your wife some sexy saree and lingerie that would be exposed her beauty in front of you and guy. Have an enjoyable cuckolding experience. Thank you.